learn what is a polyhedron. But first, what are solids? The pencil box, the ball, the birthday cap, dice, and the dustbin all are solid shapes. All the solid shapes which we can hold have one more dimension, which is the depth. Like this dice, it has the length, breadth, and the depth. All the solid objects are 3D shapes. 3D means 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and the depth. So, this is a dice and this solid shape is called cube. In a cube, the length, breadth, and the depth all are same. As a cube has 6 surfaces, we can say a cube has 6 faces and each face is a square. You know, certain 3D shapes have curved edges like the cylinder or the cone. Also, if you notice, not all the faces are similar in both of these. A cylinder has 3 faces, out of which 2 are circular faces. And coming to the cone, in the cone, one of the faces is circular. So we can say in some of the shapes, the faces are not similar. You know, a solid shape with flat faces and straight edges is called a polyhedron. So, this prism and the pyramid and the cube are polyhedrons or polyhedra, which is the plural of polyhedron. If you remember, the polygons are the 2D shapes which are closed figure and made of line segments like the square, the rectangle, the triangle, etc. So we can say a polyhedron is a 3D shape with polygon faces. So cube, prism, pyramid, etc. are polyhedron with each face being a polygon. Look here, these 3D shapes have curved edges and even their faces are not similar. Hence, we can say these are not polyhedrons or polyhedra, the plural of polyhedron. If we observe, few polyhedra have same kind of faces like this cube. In the cube, each face is a square. So we can say all the faces of this cube are congruent. Here again, in this triangular pyramid, each face is an equilateral triangle, which means all the faces of this pyramid are congruent. If you remember, the regular polygons are the 2D shapes which are closed figure with all sides equal, like the square, the pentagon with all the 5 sides equal, equilateral triangle with 3 sides equal, etc. So we can say the polyhedra like the cube or this triangular pyramid where all the faces are congruent, and regular polygons, that is polygons with equal sides, are called regular polyhedra. So we can say a regular polyhedra has all the faces which are congruent regular polygons. You know, this cube is also called a regular hexahedron as it has 6 equal faces. So, regular hexahedron. Same way, this triangular pyramid is called a regular tetrahedron as it has 4 equal faces. So what about irregular polyhedron? If all the faces of a solid shape are not same or equal. Like here, there is a pyramid. It has a rectangular base but triangular side faces. So we can say this rectangular pyramid is an irregular polyhedron as the faces are not congruent or same. To sum up what we learned today, what is a polyhedron? In short, it is a 3D shape with polygon faces, meaning it is a 3D shape where each face is a polygon, that is, each face is flat with straight edges. And what is a regular polyhedron? A polyhedron with all the faces as congruent regular polygons, meaning all the faces are of same type of regular polygon, is called a regular polyhedron. And lastly, what is an irregular polyhedron? A polyhedron in which all the faces are not same, meaning they are not the same type of polygon, is called an irregular polyhedron. That's all for now. Bye bye children.